Here's how to see Instagram passwords. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can check or see Instagram password if you forgot it. So there are basically two methods. The first one is exclusively only for iPhone. So if you're an iPhone and you're in iOS 18, so there's a good news for you. You can directly find your Instagram password if your phone has directly saved it. So it's pretty simple. You just need to go ahead and go to your library and basically type in passwords, and right over here you'll see this app. You just need to go ahead and press on that, and here as you can see you get to see many passkeys, but you just need to search up Instagram right here. And here as you can see it will show you all your Instagram accounts, and you just need to press on one of them and it will show you the password that you're looking for. So now comes the second method, and it's pretty obvious and it works for both devices. It's the Google method. So you can directly check your Google password if your Google has saved it, or you might have saved it when you didn't know. But yeah, Google sometimes does save your Instagram details. So you just need to go to Google right over here and go press on your profile right over here, and then it'll show you this, and right over here it'll show you password manager. Just go ahead and press on password manager and it will show you all these passwords that you want to search for. So let's say if you want to search for Instagram, here as you can see my Instagram has 2 accounts, and yeah, you can just directly press on that and you can check the passwords. So yeah, this is actually it on how you can see Instagram passwords. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.